Winter Wonderland.
And it's still snowing.
As a powerful winter storm finally makes its way out of Illinois and northwest Indiana, some communities are reporting snowfall totals of more than a foot from the storm. According to the National Weather Service, numerous locations in Cook County received more than a foot of snow during the storm, including Lansing, which reported 12.5 inches of snow by Thursday morning. Midway Airport in Chicago reported 11 inches of snow, which matched the total reported in suburban Homewood. Will County was especially hard hit by the snow, with Mokena racking up one of the highest snowfall totals of the storm with 14.3 inches of accumulation. Monee also reported more than a foot of snow, and New Lenox nearly topped that mark. Northwest Indiana had some eye-popping totals too, with Chesterton receiving 14 inches and Valparaiso reporting 13.5 inches of snow. For a full list of snowfall totals, you can visit the following map, or read on below for the top snowfall accumulations in the Chicago area.